Guys, as you can see from the title, we are going to go ahead and give away these 2 signs just to kind of get our name and our channel out there. The details about how you can win this is in the description. Apparently I can't tell you to subscribe for a giveaway, but we would like you to subscribe. So if you would like to, please go do that now. But to win these 2 signs, all you have to do is go in the comments of this video and type the 3 words, win 2 signs. That's it. Then at the end of the month, I'll use a random comment generator to go ahead and pick the winner. So that'll be on January 31st. And you will get both signs when you win. One is almost a 3-foot fire department flag, and the other one is a 2-foot Miller Lite sign that was actually hand carved and flame torched. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks.